In this video, I will explain the right algorithms sum and average. This table has 4 dimensions: the company, the different regions, every region has their own salesman, and every salesman has customers. If we collapse the hierarchy, we can see the totals for the company by month and in the end, the totals by year, which is a result of all the calculated values from each month. Right now, we are working with the sum algorithm. So this is the sum of all the sales, and if all the sales from the different salesmen are added, I get the amount of the region. If the value from the salesman's revenue is changed, the values of the upper layers, region, month, and total company sum will change as well. This is a simple bottom-up algorithm. Next to it, we also have top-down algorithms. If the value of this region is changed, the values of the salesmen change proportional to the values they had before. There are 2 different top-down algorithms. One is weighted and the other one is equally distributed. The equal distribution is always applied when all values on the top knot are exactly 0. You can see all the values are equal to 0, and if the value of the upper dimension is changed again, it is equally split onto the 2 lower knots. If the first value is set to 1, the second one to 2, and sum is changed, you can see that the value is distributed accordingly. This not only works vertically, the values also change horizontally, so if the revenue sum is set to 0, every cell underneath is set to 0 as well. Besides the sum algorithm, there's also the average algorithm. To change the algorithm, you need to change your measurement settings. Under the tab Calculation Strategy, you can change from sum to average. Now every cell displays the proportional average. If a value is changed, the top-down will assign every cell the same value. The logic behind the algorithm is the same as the one for the sum algorithm. The only difference is that it calculates the average and not the sum.